Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have normal L system and you have hydrogen in the side chain which is with tosylate and you are using butyl lithium. You have to guess what will be the final product. The answer lies in the important naming reaction which is Shapiro elimination. First step of the reaction, abstraction of acidic proton. You can write it as multiple steps. Here I shown a single step. So two anions are there. You have two very good leaving group, tosylate and nitrogen. So they leave nicely. So you have the anion formation. Next step you have amide there. Where the amide will react? Amide will react, form the aldehyde. This is a special kind of naming reaction which is Powatt aldehyde synthesis. So direct aldehyde formation from amide to aldehyde. The concept you have to learn here is Shapiro elimination, which converts hydrogen into alkene. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.